Ever wanted to create professional-looking animations without any design experience? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to make eye-catching animations using Canva. And trust me, you don't need any fancy skills to pull this off. Let's dive in. First, let's check out what this animation is going to look like. To create this type of animation, start by going to Google and searching for Canva. Click on the link to the main page, then select Video. From the options, choose Video, which is the standard size of video. Select Element and choose Graphics. Use the search box to find your desired background. I'll go with a city background. Drag and drop it onto the main page, then set this image as your background. Next, go back to the sidebar, select Elements, and search for Person Walking. Under Graphics, choose one you like, and click on it to add it to your page. Drag the person to the end of the page. To animate it, go to the top menu, select Animate, then choose Create an Animation. Hold down the Shift key and drag the person to where you want the animation to start. In the drop-down, select Steady Motion. You can also adjust the speed here. Now move to the next page. From the left sidebar, choose a new background. Then set this image as the background. Copy the animated person from the first page and paste it onto the second page. Since you already animated it on the first page, it will retain the same animation settings. Ready for another approach? On the left sidebar, select a sky background, then drag and drop it onto the main page. Next, search for airplane. And click on it to bring it onto the page. Position the airplane at the edge of the page where you want the animation to begin. Set the duration to 10 seconds. Then duplicate the page. Move the airplane a little further forward. Then duplicate the page again, moving the plane even further each time. Finally, duplicate the page one last time and place the plane just outside the page. To add transitions between the pages, click on Transition, then select Match and move Transition. Set the duration to 5 seconds. To apply it across all pages, click on Apply between all pages. After completing all these steps, download your animated video. Now upload the downloaded animation and trim any parts where there's no movement in the plane. I've also created a car animation using this same method. If you'd like to learn how to create sticky animations, check out the video linked in the description. Thanks for watching this video to the end.